Hi everyone. Today we'll be discussing on what is Composer and the benefits of Composer in Drupal. So by the definition of Composer, it is a tool for dependency management in PHP. It allows you to declare the libraries your project depends on and it will manage them for you. So let's see how this is done. So suppose you want to install a module A which is dependent on a library B, and this library B is in turn dependent on library C. So normally what you will be doing is we download module A from the Drupal.org site, and it will be a tar file or the zip file, and you will enable this. But when you enable this module, you'll find that it is dependent on the module or the libraries B. So you will have to download the library B, and you'll have to place it in some vendor folder, and enable it. So once you try to enable the library B, you'll find that it is again dependent on library C. This So in that case, you will have to again download library C and place it in the vendor file folder and then enable it. So once you do these steps, you'll be able to enable the module A. Suppose you are using Composer. Composer itself will check for the dependencies of module A, and it will find that it is dependent on library C, and again the library B is dependent on library C. So in that case, it will install all the dependent modules or the libraries of module A and install library A for you, module A for you. So these steps will be carried out by Composer itself, and you don't have to bother about these things. So it will manage all the dependencies of module A, and it will say this much of time you had to download and place the libraries in folder and enable them. All these steps will be carried out, managed by Composer, and it saves you a good amount of time and makes the module installation and enabling them easy.